Hello, my crafty friends. This is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here because I have a few things to show you. Very few, but a few things to show you for hashtag Thrifty Thursday. That is an open collab hosted by myself. If you'd like to participate, just post your video on Thursday or really anytime and use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday and link my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. So I went to the bins, guys. I went to the bins. And what I do is, I'm trying not to go thrifting right now, but I went there to drop off some things. There's one near my work. And so when I am decluttering or getting rid of something, I go by there, drop it off. But I don't always go in. A lot of times I don't go in, and recently I haven't been going in, but I went in this time and I found a few things. So let me show you what I found. I even, I'm going to show you some stickers, and let's see, were these all together? Some of the stickers were all together in an envelope, and I don't know if you've ever been to the bins, but if you haven't, I'll explain it to you. But or at least how mine works. I went through the envelope of stickers and took out the ones I didn't want and left them behind. So you can really because at the bins, at my bins anyway, it's an outlet. It's a Goodwill outlet, and mine has the big blue. They call it the bins because it has the big blue containers. They're like just an open container that they put a bunch of stuff in there. Sometimes, usually it's categorized like clothes or books or just odds and ends, things like that. So anyway, I've been going through, I used to go through the books a lot. I mean, I used to go through the bins with books in them and just go through like every book in there. But now I don't need books. So I'll look at the books a little bit, but not too much because I don't really want to bring home any books. So now if I go by there, like when I'm dropping something off, like I just said, I will look through the odds and ends bins, and they have a lot of odds and ends. If you've ever been to the bins, you know how it is. But anyway, it's like the last stop before it goes to the trash, where they get rid of their trash before it goes to the trash facility. And so, like, mine doesn't mind or doesn't care if you go through things and just take whatever parts you want. For instance, a game. If there's a game there, you can open it up. If you just want the cards, if you just want the pieces, you can take out whatever you want and leave what you don't want behind. All they care about is, someone take what they need, purchase it, pay for it, and you're on your way. So at least it's saved. Some of it, or all of it, depending on what you get, is saved from the trash. So anyway, this is what I got this time. So I got these pretty stickers. Looks like a new pack of stickers here. I don't think it's been opened or any part of it used, so kind of weird that it's never been used, but maybe someone got it and just never used it or got it as a gift and didn't want it. We never know about these things, right? But anyway, it had these pretty colors, kind of muted. Hold on. I just realized my other light's not on. There we go. That might be better. I was noticing how dark these looked. But you can see the pretty colors, kind of muted colors and pretty colors. There's little dots and little paisleys in here. Looks like there's 2 sheets. But anyway, that is one of the little stickers I picked up. I'm trying to show it to you without the glare. Here's another pack of stickers. These are travel related, and I have quite a few of travel related stickers, so I didn't want too many, but these are cute. Say cheese, to serve travel. Little envelope with the word vacation, fun, vacation. And what I thought I would do is I'm going to go put these with my, I have it's a traveler's notebook in my shop right now. And I'm going to go put these with this. So these are coming along with my travel journal. It can be in anything journal, but it's kind of travel related. So I'm going to go put these with my travel journal. So if someone purchases it, they will also get these stickers. So it's a little addition to that journal goodie pack. And then these are, let's see, they're called scrapbook embellishments. And I just thought they were, there's only one is missing here, you know, so anyway, I just thought they were pretty, kind of shabby chic looking little banners. This says, best wishes always, now and forever. And then there's, you know, little pink roses, little butterflies, even a little thing down here across the bottom. But anyway, so just pretty. And they cost hardly anything, you know, at the bins. They sell things by the weight. So everything here cost me, I think, 89 cents. You know what I mean? So it's like, you know what I mean? Anyway, so if you've been watching my channel, you know I did a video where someone asked me to show how I saved a little golden spine on little golden books. And I just pulled a random book out of a pile of little golden books I have here, and it was a Barbie book. It's a Barbie little golden book. And I thought, well, maybe I'll make a journal out of that soon. And anyway, after I did that video, I found these. Let's actually see what they are. They're little shoes. I think they're stickers, but there's a lot of them in here. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Let's see exactly. I don't think I opened it while I was there, but I thought, I just saw all these shoes and I was like, well, those are cute. Let me see what those are. I don't know if someone cut these out, or they're like, oh, maybe someone made these. They're little pictures of shoes. They're like laminated. Isn't that funny? And there's a little, like where you can punch a hole right there. You see that little circle at the top? Like a little tag. It's a shoe. And it's got a hole where I can punch a hole there and put a little string there if I want to. Or a little pin or something. Or whatever. But anyway, little boots and shoes. And there's a little flip-flops in there. So I thought, well, you know, if I make a Barbie journal, maybe I can use those in my Barbie journal, you know. I was always fascinated by the little Barbie shoes. They're so cute, right? Put on a little Barbie foot. So, you know how we are. Anyway, here's another little card of stickers. Again, these two are used, but these are cute. This is a little frame, looks like. Almost like a little frame. It's not really, but it looks like a little frame. With it says special. This one says charming, and that one says beautiful. So I thought I could use those. So I'm very picky when I do go thrifting. I've been that way for a while, good while now. Like I've said it in my videos, you know, I'm just looking for something that I can really use, something unique, you know, so it has to meet those qualifications. I have to kind of like almost love it or almost love it. Because, you know, that way I know I'll use it. But I thought these were really cute. I have made the fruity journal and the fruity summer fruity journal recently, and my lemon journal. And so I thought these were super cute. So these I could include too. Maybe I'll include these as an extra little goodie, you know, to put into the goodie pack of the fruity journal. That would be fun. This one says fruity fun, and then this one has all these little pieces on it. It's one sticker. You can peel off this like foam piece or whatever it is on the back so it's flatter if you want, and use it. And also, if you wanted to, you could even peel off the pieces. They're on a backing. Well, let me take one out so I can tell you exactly what I'm talking about, so that this makes sense. Let's see how this opens. I see, oh, here it is. So what I'm saying is, say, just let me take this one for instance, because it has the most pieces on here. There's a piece of acetate in there that these are stuck to too. But see this little foam piece on the back here. You can peel, a lot of times if I want something flatter, I will just try to peel that off and use it like that. Or on this, it looks like you could even peel off these pieces if you didn't want this whole big thing and you wanted to use these little pieces. Just, you know, take off this top square gently so you don't tear it or, you know, mess it up. You know, kind of just experiment a little bit with it and see if you can take it off. But that's what I would do if I didn't want to use the whole thing. I've done that with Dollar Tree stickers. You know how they have the 3D ones. I usually use them when they're all together, but sometimes I have taken them apart and used the individual pieces. So that I'm going to put in with the fruity journal. The other one I'll put in with the travel journal. And then these I found. Those are all the stickers, it looks like. I found these. They're tags. They're so pretty. And this one, I thought they're ready to go into a journal. Look how cute. This is a flower, and it says for you, and it's so pretty. A gift for you. It even has the little ribbon on there. And, or I could use them on a gift if I wanted to. A little pair. And they have a pretty, they all say to from on the back with this little floral decoration. And then this one here, just a kind of a generic floral decoration. So 4 tags I found. Really pretty. And then I have bought these at the last time I bought these are dividers, you know, just the divider, colorful dividers. And the last time I bought them was last summer when school was starting. I don't think there's a flap on here, but I just want to see what these are made out of. And I use them in my journals, and I thought they were a lot of fun. I think I still have a few left, but I thought, why not go ahead and get these? I know how much they were. I got them at the cheap. I think they were $1. I think they were $1 at Walmart. Of course, at Dollar Tree they were $1.25 if you got them at Dollar Tree. But I think I got them at Walmart. They are actually cheaper, and I think there was 1 or 2 more in the pack, like as far as how many were in here. This one has 5, and as I told you, I got everything for 89 cents, so that's a lot cheaper than Walmart or Dollar Tree. But let's see what they are here. So, okay, interesting. I thought they were plastic and they're paper. So that is pretty funny. But I could still use these different colored papers. I probably wouldn't have got them if I would have known they were just paper. But still, they already have the little tab on there. It is a plastic tab. So I can cut these down, and I could glue on them, or, you know, make them into a page in a journal. So I will definitely still use those. That's just funny that they're not plastic. I've never seen paper ones like that. That is kind of interesting. Oh, this is from my crafting. I left here underneath my stuff. Anyway, also I found this. I have a few of these towels, these tea towels. And this one is, I have some that are kitchen-y, like recipe type or kitchen-y type themed. And so I saw this one, and I thought it was super cute, and the colors are pretty. It says cranberry sauce. It looks like it's brand new, never used. But I'll probably, I don't know if I'll, I mean, it looks clean to me. I don't know. But anyway, I can either craft with this. I could make a journal cover out of it. Or sometimes I've taken these, like when I make a recipe journal, if I remember, if I make a recipe type themed journal or anything to do with cooking, when I send it off, when it's, you know, someone purchases it and I send it off to the new home, I will wrap it in a tea towel like this. I think that's fun. And this decoration it has on here is on both sides of the front. Inside it's, you know, like this. So it makes a nice wrapping for the person that gets the journal, and they can use it as a tea towel if they want, or cut it up and craft with it. And it's nice and sturdy and protects the journal on its journey to its new home. So that's everything I got, what I plan to do with it, and you know, why I got it. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to go put these with those other journals before I forget, before they get sent off to their new homes. And thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.